Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2014 Pete 389 factory built glider kit. Built a 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, 798 total on the miles, and only 19,000 miles on the engine overhaul. Got it hot this morning. Gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, tires, brakes, and finish up on the inside. I'm gonna show you everything that you want to see, just like you're standing here. Let's go ahead and get started. Super cool paint scheme. Body and paint's immaculate on it, really cool. Hard to find little small bunk, flat top Peterbilt like this. Very few are available. Blow by looks good. Engine compartment's extremely clean. Grill surround, all your aluminum looks good. You're gonna pick it apart. Someone's had their name mounted on the side of that box there, so you can see that. But you can do the same thing, put a placard here. A couple little dings on that middle section of the exhaust, but back of the cab looks good. Air slide fifth wheel, all aluminum wheels. Good tires and brakes. See, it's had a little bit of rust there that's been cleaned up and repainted. Nothing detrimental inside the frame rails, nothing big. Had the names on this side as well. Platinum interior. The hardwood floor there. Love the Coffin sleepers, one in the back. Full gauges. See, it's at operating temp. Great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. The oil pressure climbs just like she's supposed to. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.